how to send money from Philippines to Saudi Arabia. Now, first of all, we will use Wise. So if you use the link below, you will benefit from zero fees for transfer up to £500. Now, first of all, open your Wise account and now go to home. Now tap on send money. Now, as you can see here, select your destination that you want to transfer money from. In this case, it will be Philippines. Now type in search Philippines like that. Now, after you select your currency, your destination currency, select your recipient currency. In this case, it will be Riyal Saudi. So tap in search Saudi. So in this case, I can't find Saudi. So select USD. Now, what you need to do after that, type how much you want to transfer. In this example, or for example, $1,000. And as you can see, this is your destination you will receive. Now, after that, what you need to do, just tap on pay with. Now, after that, select bank transfer or your balance. So select bank transfer and now tap on add recipient. And now after that, in this case, I can't find my recipient currency. So you need to send to your recipient on their Wise account. So how to do that? So just tap on find on Wise. Now type your recipient account username. Now after that, you can send money to their Wise account. And after they receive that money on their Wise account, now they can transfer that money to their bank. So this is how to transfer money from Philippines to Saudi Arabia. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.